Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce methods of converting one data type to another in Pandas. We start from this data set. Okay, EX1. I simply load this CSV into Jupyter. As you can see, this data set actually is very simple. Right? We see the class A, B, C, D, E, and those are the counts of people. Take this one for example. There are 3 people who didn't pass the exam. Okay. First, let's start from checking the data types. The X1, D type. Oh, I'm sorry. D types. You see class, object, integer. Okay. The reason is it's quite obvious. You see, it's 3 missing, 2 unknown, 2. So that's the reason this column is an object. So our first topic would be we need to change the integer into an object. Okay, first one. It's very simple. Let's take this one, this column for example. So copy, paste as type. Sorry, it's a string. You see here, it changed from integer to an object. Actually, we can use S type. We can always use S types following a data series. So in Pandas, it's universally doable, but there is an exception which I'm going to introduce the next in topic 2. How to convert string to integer, okay? Numeric. Integer and float, okay, here. For example, like we're going to use this column and it's going to show an error here for sure. The reason is like I mentioned before, because in Pandas, let's say we are going to convert this column into integer, but obviously we have the numbers, numeric numbers, and missing, unknown, so it's not gonna happen. We definitely will see an error, right? So how are we going to handle this, right? We're going to use the pandas to numeric here. Okay. Let's see. Pandas numeric. Arrows equals course. I will mention that the default settings is ignored. So let's see. Okay, so now it's a float. It was an object, but it's a float now. Okay. Actually, another thing I would mention here is that we can also downcast the floats from float 64 to float 32. Okay, we're going to use downcast because it's float, so it's float. You see, now it's full of 32. So we can download, we can downcast it to a smaller bit. Okay. If you like my video, give me a thumb up. So thanks for watching. See you next time.